This is another HARDELL entry but in a slightly different SKU. Config, a 3.7V rechargeable mini rotary with 61 accessories and USB charging. The listing emphasizes light-duty craft work, sanding, polishing, drilling and engraving, plus variable speed control and a pen-style ergonomic grip. The product page highlights the Type-C USB charging convenience and a pack of accessories aimed at crafters and families doing small projects. As with the other Amazon listings, the visible price is not fixed in the snapshot, so check the live product link for the exact current price. We share buy links in description box. From a vlogger standpoint, this is a classic grab-and-go tool, small, super portable, and ideal for quick jobs like jewelry repair, small engraving jobs, or school craft sessions. The pros are obvious: tiny footprint, easy charging, and a solid assortment of bits. The cons: it's not built for sustained heavy work. It's not a 12V motor and won't replace bigger tools for metalwork or pro trim jobs. Customer chatter on the page leans toward really handy for hobbyists and parents helping kids with craft projects, but reminds buyers to keep expectations realistic for performance and longevity. Pros: ultra portable, USB-C charging, decent accessory selection for small tasks. Cons: limited torque for heavy cuts and longer continuous use. If you want a compact detail tool for crafts and light workshop tasks, this HARDELL Mini is a comfortable, budget-friendly pick. We share buy links in description box.